Which tools are actually good for cutting drywall? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the right answers. Today, we're uncovering the top options that won't let you down. Product number 1, MEEPO Box Cutter. First up is the MEEPO Box Cutter. Priced at just $9.99, this utility knife set really caught my eye because of its reputation as a bestseller with a solid 4.6-star rating from 4,500 reviews. If you want a reliable tool for cutting drywall and other tough materials, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The MEEPO cutter comes with razor-sharp carbon steel blades that are heat-treated for extended durability. This means you won't be swapping out blades constantly, which can be a hassle. Plus, it's lightweight with an ergonomic handle, making it super comfortable to use, especially during those long DIY projects. It's designed for heavy-duty tasks, so whether you're a pro or just getting into renovations, this will handle drywall, roofing, shingles, and more with ease. Now, some people complained about the handle feeling a bit flimsy during heavy use. Here's the thing though, while it might not be as sturdy as some metal options out there, it's lightweight, which can actually be beneficial for extended use. If you're not cutting through concrete or something equally insane, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for an affordable, efficient cutting tool. Skip this one if you need something super heavy-duty for extreme conditions, but for most applications, it's a fantastic value for the money. Now, if that concern about the handle's sturdiness bothers you, this next tool takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, IRWAN Tools Standard Drywall Jab Saw. Next up is the IRWAN Tools Standard Drywall Jab Saw, which also comes in at $9.99. This saw has a 4.6-star rating from 3,500 reviews, so it's clearly a popular choice. If you want something straightforward yet effective for cutting drywall, this is a solid option. The handle is designed for comfort, ensuring that your grip stays secure even when you're applying a bit of pressure. Plus, it's lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. For anyone looking to tackle intricate cuts without a lot of fuss, this tool genuinely delivers. However, a few users mention that the blade can dull quickly, especially if you're using it on tougher materials. Now, I'll be real with you, this is true, but keep in mind that it's primarily designed for drywall, so if you stick to that, it should be just fine. Just have a replacement blade handy and you're all set. This saw is perfect for you if you're working on small projects or need a tool that can easily fit in tight spots. Skip this one if you want something for heavy-duty work, but for drywall and simple tasks, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit more high-tech. Product number 3, Goldblatt Folding Drywall Saw. Now let's talk about the Goldblatt Folding Drywall Saw. At $14.39, it has an impressive rating of 4.8 stars from nearly 5,900 reviews. This one's worth a look if you want a reliable, portable option for your drywall cutting needs. This saw features a soft grip handle that really enhances comfort, allowing you to maintain control while cutting through drywall or plywood. The folding design is also a game changer, making it easy to store and carry around. With its sharp teeth, it cuts smoothly, which means less effort on your part. If you're tired of struggling with cuts, this tool genuinely surprised me with how efficiently it works. However, some users noted that the folding mechanism can be a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, after a few uses, it loosens up and becomes much easier to maneuver. For the added portability and comfort, I think it's worth the initial stiffness. This saw is perfect for you if you often need a tool that's easy to transport and comfortable to use. Skip this one if you prefer a fixed blade, but for versatility and ease, it's a fantastic choice. If portability was a key concern for you, the next product might take that to the next level. Product number 4, DWALT 20V Max XR Cutout Tool. Up next is the DWALT 20V Max XR Brushless Drywall Cutout Tool, priced at $116.61. It holds a strong 4.6-star rating from 1,400 reviews, making it a favorite for those who want power and precision. If you're serious about your drywall projects, this tool is definitely worth checking out. It features a brushless motor that provides longer run time and durability, so you can keep cutting without interruptions. The adjustable depth control is a game changer, allowing you to set how deep you want to cut, which is crucial for avoiding mistakes. If you're looking for a tool that enhances your efficiency and reduces the risk of cutting too deep, this one has your back. On the downside, some users found it a bit bulky compared to traditional hand saws. Now here's my take. If you're doing a lot of drywall work, that extra weight can actually translate to stability during cuts. But for those who want something lighter, it might feel a bit cumbersome. This tool is perfect for you if you're a professional or a serious DIYer who needs a reliable tool for larger projects. Skip this one if you're just doing a simple repair, as its power might be overkill for you. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly but still effective, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Kata Folding Drywall Jab Saw. Finally, we have the Kata Folding Drywall Jab Saw, which is another affordable option at $9.99. It boasts a 4.3-star rating from over 550 reviews. If you want a budget-friendly tool that doesn't skimp on quality, this might be the one for you. This jab saw features a soft grip handle and a triple tooth design that helps make clean cuts through drywall and more. The folding feature is a fantastic addition, keeping it compact for easy storage. It's lightweight, which can make a big difference if you're working on a lot of cuts in one sitting, reducing fatigue. If you're just starting out in DIY or need a reliable tool for smaller jobs, this is definitely a solid contender. However, a few users pointed out that the blade could be sharper. Honestly, it's true, but I found that it still gets the job done pretty well. A little honing before your project can definitely elevate its performance. This tool is perfect for you if you're looking for an inexpensive yet reliable option for basic drywall cutting. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty, but for everyday tasks, it's a great budget choice. So there you have it. We covered the MEEPO box cutter for general use, the IRWIN jab saw for precision, the Goldblatt folding saw for portability, the DEWALT cutout tool for power, and the Kata jab saw for budget-friendly cutting. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your needs and you'll be set for your drywall projects.